Welcome to the demo of the Reseller Control Panel in the Nuvelink APS package. Let's log in as a reseller. Let's switch to the Customer Control Panel. In the dashboard, the number of customers and resellers, and information about the registered cloud platforms is shown. Let's download the price list for the AWS resources as set by the provider for the reseller. The various AWS services, along with their pricing information, is visible in the CSV file. Let's look at the default billing policies the reseller can set for this customers and resellers. The two important settings that affect the reseller's channel are the margin percent and the quota. The margin percent is the uplift on each of the line items in the provider-issued price list. The quota is the default allowed cloud spend for the reseller channel. The margin percent can be updated and the modified price list can be viewed. The quota can be set by the reseller for each cloud platform. The reseller can also set for an email to be triggered once the consumption equals a certain percentage of the quota. If a reseller wants to override the default billing policies for a customer, this can be done quite easily by setting custom billing policies. Similar margin and quota settings can be done for each registered cloud platform. Custom billing policies can be set for the resellers of the reseller. Email templates can be configured by the reseller for different workflows. Thanks for watching the demo of the Reseller Control Panel for the Nuvelink APS package.